figures have been rearranged. And actually, I realized that this G.I. Joe figure is a completely posable one, so I'm going to keep him. Also, going to keep the Knight Rider figure, because even though he's out of scale, he can at least pose beside the car. And I am going to keep the Back to the Future 2 figures, because they can pose beside the car as well. And if you look at the back, you'll see how you can collect the Back to the Future 1 line. And 1950s Doc would look good with the Back to the Future 3 vehicle. So here's 50s Marty. And Griff from Back to the Future 2. And Evil Biff from the bad 1985. So that's good. And I might just keep some of the episode 7 figures, some of which I found at flea markets. We'll find out for sure later on. And I'm going to put this new G.I. Joe figure with the older one right there. Now, what is his age range? What is his year? Doesn't seem to say it. Difficult to tell what year it is with all that printing. You can't make out a copyright date, but at least he's in there. Okay, good. And there's the Back to the Future figure. So I will keep them after all. You might not sell every figure on this shelf, but at least I'll bring them along. And that is, oh, and of course you've got all the Pez in here. And I have all the Eternia minis in there. And the Cobra Fang comes with its own pilot. That I bought at the flea market for $40 and then realized, oh, it's a modern one. G.I. Joe, not really my toy line, but I kept a few figures. 25th anniversary and an original Battle Corps one. So that's good. And as you can see under the shelf, those are all the loose figure plastic cases that I've kept from various toy conventions. Voyager's under there. This is the card back box. Let's see, nothing else. I mean, the Hot Wheels, you've seen all that already. Yeah, so that's pretty well it. I did manage to successfully get most of the Motu play sets and vehicles up there. Well, vehicles only. So they're up there on that shelf. And the figures are behind. I probably should have switched them around myself. But that'll be when it's Motu opening day. That'll be a bit of reorganization there. Of course, you got the sheet protectors, the hockey card supplies, the big Constructs bin, the Constructs box, the card back box. My 4 remaining childhood bins. I once had 8, but over the last 40 years, they've slowly fallen away. Yeah, so that's pretty good. But it's good that you've narrowed down what you're going to keep. I have no problem opening the reaction figures to go with the cars, even though they're probably vastly out of scale, but it'll be nice to add to them. And I'll probably even keep the Hercules and the Xena reaction figures as well. Probably. Okay, see? There, Xena and Gabrielle. Alright, so that's all for now. Now I know what to look for at the next Toys R Us visit. The Back to the Future remaining figures. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.